Okay, Ken. So I'm going to show you how to lay out that king post. So we're going to go on our plan view here. What we're going to be working with here is these lines here that you can see. They represent the irises of each corner of the king post. So if you can see that each corner is labeled A, B, C, and D, and those lines go up to my elevation view of this this side of the plan view. So here it is here. So you can see that it's D, A, C, B as it is. So you just, these lines are perpendicular to my ligne de trave. And also, you do the same for the other elevation. Again, so this, because my king post is perpendicular to my first chevron d'emprunt, so that this line essentially represents these two irises. So that's why you have one line that says DC and this one that says AB. So essentially, again, I'm just going to take my king post, my actual piece of wood, that's just this square, place it there. Sorry, but I don't have exactly the right section. But again, it's the same principle. Each corner, each iris of my king post, I'll mark them A, B, C, D, and the corresponding irises on my actual king post, I'll put them on my drawing and mark each iris to where it touches the lattice. So that's essentially, so if I say this iris here represents A, I'll look on my drawing, here's A, so I'll take this iris which represents A, I'll put it there like that, okay, exactly like that, mark the bottom of my ligne de trave, and mark exactly where it touches there, tac. So I got a point, okay. I do the same for each iris, okay, so I got A, B, C, D, and do the same thing. But the thing when you do this is that ligne de trave, when you first mark it, it has to correspond to that ligne de trave every time when you turn this piece around, to mark. So I'm just going to do it with the marker to show you. I'll put this down quickly. So I got my, this is going to be A, this is going to be B, this will be C, and this will be D. Okay, so A, let's see if I can put this here. So A, I look for my A, there it is. Put A down, correspond with A there. Okay, like that. Mark my ligne de trave, tac, where it touches, tac. Okay, again. Look, my next one says A, so you can see A has been marked with a little tick for my ligne de trave, and on top right there for that before it touches my lattice. And again, I'm going to look for B. Okay, there's B. Look for B in my line. There it is. So I correspond my B with that. Again, well, the best thing you can do is turn it around. I'll take a square quickly here, and that ligne de trave, actually I'll just square it around, so every time up there, there, they're calling me. So here's C, okay, there, I think. Okay, so C corresponding with the iris with that line. C, put it there, and again you can see I've added my ligne de trave has to line up exactly. I know it's a bit blurry, sorry for that. And again here, mark that. Deck. Okay, do the same. I didn't do with B, going around, going to B. Okay, up, mark that there. Tac. We'll go to D, because I haven't done D yet. D. Tac. There it is there. Up. Okay, so now essentially you have on each iris you have a point, right? So I'm going to go around and connect all those points with this square. So I'm doing the green. Nope. Stick. And one more. Okay. Essentially, you have this, what looks like, you have that kind of shape going around, okay? So that is essentially this roof plane here, okay, this one here. So when I place my king post in its correct position, that's alright, I'm doing it right there, okay, like that. So you can see that it's going to be corresponding with this elevation, so as if this elevation continues and it cuts through my king post, right? That's what it gives. Now I will do that. I did it for this elevation, for this roof slope. I'll do it for the same one here. So again, I'll lay this down. I'll look for DC, which is there, D and C. Put this on my ligne de trave. And I'll mark that. But again, I'll do it with a red. I'll switch down. Okay, here it is. There. Think. Again, I'll do it with AB. AB there. Here it is there. Corresponding. And AB. Think. Toi, putain, mais je fais un film. Merde.